In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your Trello cards in one place. This tutorial will be helpful for those of you who manage multiple boards and want a quick way to see all your tasks systematically. Understanding how to navigate this feature efficiently can save you time and streamline your workflow, making it easier to prioritize your tasks. Let's dive in and explore how you can bring all your cards into a unified view. First off, head over to your web browser and type in Trello.com. This will take you to the Trello homepage where you can get started. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Login. Click on that and you'll be taken to the sign in page. Here you have a couple of options for logging into your Trello account. You can either enter your email and password, or if you prefer, sign in using your Google credentials. Whichever way you choose, log into your account and you'll be smoothly directed to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, focus your attention again on the upper right corner. You should see your account icon there. Go ahead and click on it and it will open a drop down menu. From the options available, find and select Cards. This is your portal to view all your Trello cards in one consolidated spot. Now that you're on the Cards page, you'll notice a variety of options for organizing your cards. You have the ability to sort them, which can be particularly useful if you're juggling tasks from multiple projects. You can arrange your cards by due date to address time-sensitive tasks first, or sort them by board, which can help you gauge the workload on each project. Additionally, if you're focusing on specific tasks, filtering can be your best friend. You can click on filter cards to refine what you see. Start by typing a keyword that your card might contain. This can quickly bring up relevant cards. Alternatively, if you're interested in cards due soon or related to a specific phase in a project, filtering by due date or board could enhance your search. Lastly, you have the option to filter your cards by activity. This is particularly beneficial if you want to track recent changes or updates to your cards. Maybe you're looking to see what's been added or modified recently. It's all accessible with these filters. By using these sorting and filtering options, you can efficiently manage your tasks and increase productivity. This feature in Trello is all about giving you control and a clear overview, thus enhancing how you approach task and project management. Now that you know how to view and sort all your Trello cards in one place, managing your workflow should become a lot more straightforward. Thanks for watching, and get ready to tackle your tasks with renewed focus and organization.